the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 11, the tube cooling system.
You have a very valuable machine here, and one of the most vulnerable parts of the machine is this bit here. And in the winter, we've got water in the cooling jacket and a cold, possibly getting close to freezing temperature in this unheated workshop. And the two things just don't go together. So what I'm going to do today is to show you how I have protected this machine with what I call a winterizing kit. People have tackled this freezing water problem in different ways. One of the most obvious ways is to put antifreeze in your system. Can I recommend you don't? There are several good reasons why you wouldn't want to put antifreeze in here, but the most important one comes down to, and let me just take you to here. This is the brass water jacket that's being used to protect the partially reflecting mirror that's mounted on the end of this tube here. Now, the mirror itself is attached to the tube with